Aloha, my name is Rita Miller, Restorative Justice Program Coordinator with the County of Hawaii, Office of the Prosecuting Attorney Victim Assistance Unit. You've heard about our assistance that we give victims, victim offender conferences, the Victim Impact Class, Hawai'i, and Ho'omalu. I'd like to tell you about our Victim Offender Dialogue, VOD. This facilitated process provides an opportunity for victims and survivors of a severe violent crime to meet with the offender face-to-face in a safe and structured setting. Why would anybody want to meet with the offender? To get answers to questions that only the offender may have information on. Maybe to tell the offender about their loved one, or tell the offender about the impact that the crime has had on them. VODs may offer offenders the opportunity to apologize, express remorse, as well as explore ways to make amends. These are just some of the victim services that our office provides. If you would like more information, please call us at 808-934-3306 in Hilo or 324-1066 in Kona. Mahalo.
Aloha, my name is Carlton Ruley. I am the Restorative Justice Project Coordinator with the Hawaii County Prosecuting Attorney's Victim Assistance Unit. Other programs that we offer include our Victim Impact Class, Hawai'i, and Ho'omalu. First, our Victim Impact Class is a collaboration between the Department of Public Safety and the Prosecutor's Office. We use male and female offenders, and we have 14 different class sessions covering crimes from property crimes to homicide. The goal of this class is to educate offenders about how their crimes affect victims physically, emotionally, financially, and spiritually. Participants receive a certificate of completion upon finishing the class. Hawai'i, which stands for Victim, Offender, and Community, a Restorative Experience, brings together 3 crime victims, 3 offenders, and 3 community members to learn from each other the impact that severe crime has on the survivors, the communities, while providing offenders the opportunity to be accountable for their crimes. One crime is chosen to focus on for each Hawai'i. Our Hawai'is occur over 7 days, and each victim and offender have the opportunity to tell their stories regarding the crimes that they are either victims of or convicted of committing, followed by questions from the remainder of the group. And lastly is our Ho'omalu, which is a project developed by the Restorative Justice Program here at the Prosecutor's Office. It's an independent study, and it uses inmates from HCCC or Kulani. It has a restorative justice focus, and we use 2 workbooks, Hurting People and Repairing the Harm. In collaboration with the Department of Public Safety staff, workbooks are distributed to participants who will then have approximately 3 to 4 weeks to complete the workbook. Upon completion, a volunteer victim reviewer will review it and give feedback. The workbook will be returned to the offenders so they can review the comments left by the victim. The second workbook will be distributed and the same protocol will be followed. Next, we'll discuss some of the other programs available at the Hawaii Prosecutor's Office.
Aloha, my name is Tim Hansen. I'm the Restorative Justice Program Manager at the Hawaii County Office of the Prosecuting Attorney in the Victim Assistance Office. Our Restorative Justice Program provides victims the opportunity to be more actively involved in criminal cases, giving an opportunity for their voice to be heard in regards to what they want or what they need for justice or a sense of healing. We have our Victim Offender Conferencing Program, which is a program where trained facilitators will work with both the victim and the offender to prepare them to eventually meet face-to-face. And when they do come together, they will talk about what happened, why it happened, have any other questions answered, and then talk about what needs to happen now to make things right, what needs to happen to help us to be pono again. They will develop a restorative agreement, and as long as all aspects of that agreement are fulfilled, then we will consider the case closed. The agreement might include things like restitution, the returning of property, might include drug treatment, any variety of things that the parties that were directly involved in the incident come up with together. We also offer a variety of post-conviction opportunities like victim offender dialogues, victim impact classes, our Hawai'i program, and our newest program called Ho'omalu. But you'll hear more from Rita and Carlton to learn a little bit more about that. Take care. Aloha.
Hi, my name is Deborah Chai, and I'm the Director of the Victim Assistance Unit here at the Office of the Prosecuting Attorney on the island of Hawaii. When someone becomes a victim of crime, it certainly isn't by choice. Our role here at the Victim Assistance Unit is to ensure that victims are informed of their rights, they are given updates about the case status, and they are informed of any resources and referrals available to them that can assist them through this process. We want to ensure that every victim of crime is given a voice in the criminal justice system.